My withdrawal proof on EarnSentry. I received 73 pesos or $1 plus. So this is the website. Just sign up and start earning in this website. So the basic ways of earnings of this website is through surveys. So for example, this survey, just click this survey and answer guys. You can also earn on offer walls. So games and offers. So there are a lot of games available in this website. So if you start the offer and completed the required task, you will earn coins. So the withdrawal method of this website is PayPal. So the minimum withdrawal is $1 or 1,000 coins. So this is my coins, 1,239 coins. So that equivalent of 73 pesos or $1 plus. So the amazing of this website is there is many bonus. For example, daily bonus. So you can claim daily bonus. You will earn 35 points or coins. There is daily and weekly quests. Complete the offer today and you will earn 50 coins. Daily grinder, earn 1,000 coins for the day and earn 75 coins. So weekly grinder, earn complete 5 offers of this week. You have a bonus of 200 coins. Invite friends and earn 15% of their coins. So just copy the link and share your referral link. So I receive in my PayPal account. So 73 pesos or $1 plus. If you want to try this website, just click the link in the description. So thank you for watching.